Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Crystal and today I'm going to show you guys how I change from this to this. Yeah, so I'm doing a dramatic black Barbie inspired makeup, and to start it off I'm going to go into that Beauty Gems palette and take that reddish brown color as my transition color, and I really wanted to deepen that outer corner. So each time I add product, I'm gonna put it right there where you see I'm blending, then I drag it into the inner corner or towards the inner corner of the eye. So now I'm just gonna do the cut crease, and if you guys want to see an in-depth video on how to do a simple cut crease, I have one up on my channel, so you guys can go check the description box below. Oh no, you can check the description box down below, and I'll also have it linked in a card up there, up on the top of the screen. So I'm gonna go into that blue in my Wet n Wild palette, and I'm going really close to that cut crease line, but I'm leaving a little space, and I'll show you guys later on in the video what I do with it. Then for the inner corner, I'm gonna go in with that lighter blue and also leave a space in between the color and the not the transition and the cut crease line. Then after I lay the colors down, I'm just gonna go in with a smudge brush and try to merge those two colors together, and also use my fingers. Then right on top where we put down the transition color, I'm gonna go in with some dark brown from the Beauty Gems palette, just to help darken the outer corner of the eye a bit more, and just go in with a blending brush and blend that out. So now I'm going to show you guys what I'm going to do with the space. So that white color that I showed you from the Beauty Gems palette, I'm going to put it into the space that we left out. I'm going to put the white color there. And that's it for the eyes for now. So I'm just going to move on to doing the rest of my makeup, and I sped up this part of it because it's pretty self-explanatory, but I'll just tell you guys what I'm doing pretty much. So after what I've been doing since recently is highlighting twice. So I laid down a bright color underneath my foundation, and that was like a big Instagram trend thing, but I actually like it. And then after I put on my foundation, then I'm gonna highlight a second time and contour. So I'm just using my LA Girl Pro concealer to do that, and that is my, I think, LA Colors contour stick. I bought it for $1 at Dollar Tree, I think. Yeah, Dollar Tree. And I'm just using that blending sponge from ULTA to blend it out and set it with that powder I got from Walmart. Then to set the contour, I'm going to go in with a darker powder by L'Oreal. Then after I'm done with that, I'm just going to line my waterline with a white pencil, eye pencil, and use a concealer brush to extend that white line into the inner corner of the eye. because I was attempting to extend my eyes a bit more, just to make it look a bit longer, but that didn't work, or it worked a bit. Then underneath it, I'm gonna go in with the dark blue shadow. And off camera, oh, before I say that, because the white eyeshadow wasn't popping as much as I wanted it to, I went in with the eyeliner pencil and just did it, and you guys can see it even more. And off camera, I did put those lashes on. Yeah, the name of them will be down in the description box. I forgot what they're called, but they're from Wet n Wild. Then I'm gonna put on some blush. You know, dolls, and a lot of dolls always have like bright cheeks, so that's kind of what I was going for. And contour my nose a bit, just to shape out the nose bridge, because with dolls their bridges are usually pretty narrow. Then I wanted to do kind of like what do you call them, like moles or beauty spots, something like that. Yeah, then I went in and do some highlighting with powder highlight, contour the nose again, and to make the beauty spot, whatever you call it, not look too obvious, I just went over it with some powder, face powder on my brush, and I also used my finger to help take off some of that bright color to make it look a bit faded and more natural. Then I'm just gonna do the lips, and for the pencil I'm just using Wet n Wild, which is cruelty free, for all those people that use only cruelty free products. And highlight again, and that's it for the lips, guys. So now I'm just gonna move into the hair, fluff it out, make my afro. My hair is growing so much, but yeah, that's about it, guys. Just want to thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoy it. Don't forget to like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe, turn on your notification bell, follow me on Instagram and Facebook, and I'll see you guys or talk to you guys in another video. Bye, guys.